Hi guys, so I'm at my computer and we're going to do the giveaway for my rainbow notebook doilies and ephemera from KittysKraftAustralia. That was a video I posted about 2 weeks ago. Sorry it took me so long to draw. I've been busy. Anyway, so I actually just did the draw, but then can you believe who won? Space Badger 21. That's my friend James, and I picked his name twice in the 2 previous giveaways I did. James, can you please stop winning my draws and bombing my videos? Okay, so I'm going to pick another one. Okay, so let's try again. Pick another winner. Oops. Let's go again. Ding, ding, ding. And the winner is Danica Creating. Which is actually really funny because her name is, I don't know how to pronounce it, Jenny or... Yeah, I don't know if it's Jenny or Janie. It's Jannie. And this is the pack. And she did comment about the little rainbow doilies, and I said, don't worry, if you don't win, I'll be sending you a pack anyway, because she had sent me a beautiful pack of doilies previously. Anyway, Jenny, I'm so happy you won. So you've got the little rainbow notebook, some ephemera, and the doily pack. And, if you're wondering why James doesn't win, he's my friend. He doesn't actually craft. He just always comments on my video. I joke to him that he's a pity viewer. He watches my videos, even though he's not into junk journals. Thank you, James. I love all your comments. But can you please stop winning all my raffles? Maybe I better do a raffle one day or a giveaway. Why am I saying raffle? I think I read raffle somewhere. Maybe one day I'll do a giveaway that it's something that you'd be interested in winning. Maybe an old book or something. Okay, that's it. And thanks for watching. And if you're watching this one, there's a sneaky giveaway in my I'm Famous video. And I'll be drawing that one probably tomorrow. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.